Let's see the next one. Find the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line through the points -2, 4 and 2, 6. If we want to find the equation of a line, we need two things. We need to have a point and we need to know the slope. In this case, we have more than one point. We have 2 points, but we don't know the slope. So first thing we need to do is we need to find out what would be the slope. So let's take a look. We have 2 points and we want to find the slope, and so we can use the slope formula. Y is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But which one is x1, y1? Which one is y2, x2, y2? So let's label them. Maybe the first point is x1, y1, and the second one would be x2, y2. So let's substitute the number for the variable. So y2, which is 6, minus, we still have a minus, and y1, which is 4, over the x2, which is 2, and then minus, and then x1, which is -2. Now be very careful. Very often, students would make mistake and say just simply 2 minus 2 is already minus. But we place it step by step. Is 2 and then minus, and the x1, which is -2. So we have 2 minus -2. So the numerator will become 2 over the denominator, 2 minus -2. That will be 4. Simplify that a little. So we got 1/2. And now we have the slope. M is equals to 1/2. And we need to pick a point. Which points do we like to pick? The first one or the second one? It doesn't matter. Sometimes one is better than the other. So we should think ahead a little and see which one do you think would be better to use. I picked the second one this time. And now, since y is equals to mx plus b, so now let's replace the x value, y value, m value into this slope-intercept form. So we have 6 is equals to 1/2 times 2 plus b. So that means we have 6 is equals to 1 plus b. That means b is 5 minus 1 on both sides. Finally, don't forget to answer the question clearly. Thus, the equation of the line is y equals to 1/2 x plus 5. We replace the m and the b back into the slope-intercept form.